Hi, I'm David Goldshaw, President of Oshaw Dental Productions. Here in Canada, I'm looking after the technical education and demonstrations training for the Yates Motloid, Chicago-based company, manufacturer of some fine products. Yates Motloid produces a fine line of polishing products. For the burnishing materials, we have a fine line of products called Chrometal. Here we have the #1 agent. This is used for, again, chrome or partial denture alloy material, where we need to remove all the rough scratches on the surfaces. First off, we would use a stone followed by a good rubber wheel. After the rubber wheel, with a nice stiff coarse brush, we use the Chrometal #1. This again removes all the surface polish scratches. Secondly, after we've done that, we then use another stiff brush and we use the Burnishing Agent #2. This is in the green container. This product again removes all the fine surface scratches. Finally, to produce a nice high luster polished surface, we use the Dual-Lustre.